About 860 million people without access to electricity, let alone affordable or clean. This means that about 2.6 billion lives rely on fuel wood, charcoal, coal, agriculture residue, dung and kerosene for cooking and heating. Lack of access to clean fuel and technology for cooking currently has negative effect on the health of 2.6 billion people. And related household air pollution is the cause of some 4 million deaths from non-communicable diseases. Also, electricity and energy are the dominant contributor to climate change, accounting for about 60% of total global greenhouse gases emissions. Recognition of the synergy between energy and manifesto of development are increasing along with the demand for more sustainable energy production, distribution and use. The United Nations have set global target for energy development. Sustainable Development Goal number 7. Ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. It consists of monitoring framework with 5 targets and 6 indicators. First target is ensuring universal access to energy services. The indicator relate to how many people have access to electricity and to clean cooking fuel and technologies. The global electrification rate rose from 83% in 2010 to 87% in 2015, with the increase accelerating to reach 89% in 2017. However, some 840 million people around the world are still without access to electricity. Even in countries with 100% or almost of physical access to electricity, many people are challenged by issue of affordability, quality of access, and quality of service. The global share of the population with access to clean cooking fuel and technology reached 61% in 2017, up from 57% in 2010. The second target is to increasing the share of renewable in the energy mix. The indicator is the share of renewable energy in total final consumption, TFC. The renewable energy share of TFC gradually increased from 60.6% in 2010 to 75% in 2016, though much faster change is required to meet climate goals. Renewable energy represented about 20.8% of global electricity generation in 2015, with the rest generated by fossil fuel and nuclear. The installed capacity of solar and wind power increased dramatically from 2000 to 2016. In the at least 20 countries around the world, renewable energy already contribute more than 20% of energy supply, and many countries have set target for increasing renewable energy levels. The third target of SDG 7 is improving energy efficiency. The indicator is the rate of growth in energy intensity measured as the amount of primary energy demand needed to produce 1 unit of gross domestic product, GDP. Global primary energy intensity improved from 5.9 in 2010 to 5.1 in 2016, a rate of improvement of 2.3%, which is still short of the 2.7% annual rate needed to reach target 7.3. It can be observed that the energy intensity is steadily getting decoupled from GDP growth because the industrially developed countries are adopting energy efficient practices, consumer behavioral change, and few developed countries are diverting into service industry, and developing countries are getting technology transfer. Both developed and developing countries have realized the importance to reduce energy intensity. The priorities for implementing SDG 7 are to enhance international cooperation and promote investment. Indicate by mobilization of funding, the overall financial requirement to meet SDG 7 is estimated at $1,058 to $1,266 billion. International financial flow to developing countries in support of clean and renewable energy reached $8.6 billion in 2016, almost doubling from $9.9 billion in 2010. Renewable energy investment were $263 billion in 2016, with solar and wind the leading technologies. Energy efficient investment were $231 billion in 2016, with energy efficient measure in building accounting for close to 60%. The last target aims to expand infrastructure and upgrade technology in developing countries, indicated by mobilization of investment in energy efficiency and sustainable development services. In recent years, there have been impressive reduction in the cost of key renewable energy technologies, particularly in solar power and onshore wind. This cost reduction have been primarily driven by economy of scale but have been enabled by innovation. In conclusion, analysis of various SDG 7 indicators suggests that globally there has been slow and steady improvement on various aspects of energy. Second, beyond electrification, additional innovation is needed to develop the technology solution that can help affordably decarbonize activities such as iron and steel making, cement production, chemical and petrochemical production, freight and maritime transport, and aviation. And lastly, accelerating the deployment of decentralized renewable energy will drive energy solutions that are more in line with people need, in particular those who prioritize energy service with major development core benefit. The focus of energy access is therefore not just wire and poles but quality supply that support local economic activities.